This guide provides instructions on how to import singles by file using TCG PowerTools. Click on Listing and Appraisal button. Select the option to import cards from a CSV or Excel file. After you upload your file to PowerTools, make sure each column has the correct identifier. Not all identifiers in your file are necessary for the upload to function properly. Let's talk about different legal inputs. The first option is to use one of the ID columns. PowerTools supports CardMarket, Scryfall, and TCG Player ID. Next option is to use the expansion and collector number columns. Or you can use the expansion and card name columns. In case the language and condition columns are absent in your file, PowerTools will automatically assign the English language and near mint condition as the default values. After ensuring that each column is properly identified, add your cards to the list by clicking on the Import Your Data button. In case there are articles that were not successfully imported, you have the option to obtain the CSV file containing the errors, enabling you to identify the specific issue. You can use the product catalog to correct the errors in your file. Once you've listed all the cards you want, select them all and publish them to CardMarket. This guide covered the steps required to import singles by file using TCG PowerTools.